Hey there, and welcome to Setting Things Up for your Video 1-3. Bobby Gets a Call. We're going to start off with the desktop and in the Finder. You'll know that you're in the Finder because it has the word Finder up in the top left corner. All right, so you can go Command N for a new Finder window. Or you can click on the word Finder down here in the icon in the bottom left. On Windows, you need to be in the desktop and you go Control N. On Mac, Command N. That gives you this window, or in Windows, an Explorer window. Awesome. Okay, so the next thing over on the left-hand side, you're going to find the Google Drive. It's both Windows and Mac. Google Drive. Click on this guy. Okay. Then you need to open up your My Drive. Now on Windows, you're going to double click on My Drive. On Mac, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to change the view to columns. It just makes life easier. Change this to columns, okay? So that way you can see it. When I click on My Drive, now I can see the ComTech folder. You should have a ComTech folder. I have a whole bunch of other things. You'll have a ComTech folder. And also you've got a video folder. So open up the ComTech folder, open up the video folder, and there we go. Okay, now, if you're in my movie making class, you probably have a Video 1-2 folder in here. That's okay. All right. And now we're going to make a new folder. There's a whole bunch of ways to make a new folder. Up on Windows, on the top left of the window, it says New. You pick Folder. On a Mac, you hold down the Control key. You click in this empty space right here, and you pick New Folder. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so this will be highlighted, and what you just need to do is you call this Video 1-3. Awesome. Hit Return. Super. Open up Video 1-3's folder, and you're going to make another new folder. And you're going to call that Media Video 1-3. Super. Okay, so what have we done right now? Well, what we've done is we've made your project folder. This is your project folder. Everything for Bobby John Gets a Call is going in here. And the first thing that we have done is we've got this media folder. That's where we're going to be putting all of our video clips. And that's going to go right here in this empty spot. Okay. Now, we're also going to make a project. And the project is that purple file that you see that Premiere Pro makes. That goes in here next to the media folder. You're also going to see Premiere Pro is going to make a whole bunch of other videos, or other folders in here, rather. Okay, your autosave folder and various other data folders. You'll see, it'll fill right on up. Now, in this media folder, this is where we're going to put all of our clips, but we're not going to do that yet. Instead, we're going to open Premiere Pro and we're going to create our project, and it's going to get saved right in here. Okay, open up Premiere Pro. If you can't find it down in the dock, then you can also open it up using this little app right here on a Mac. On Windows, it's down in the bottom right. And you launch Premiere Pro. Okay? Now, when you launch it, it might look just like this. See how it's only got the word Premiere Pro up here? Okay? Or you might have it look like this. Either one is totally fine. In both ways, we're going to make a new project. Very simple. You click New Project if you have this window. Or you go up here to the top, you click on File, you pick New, and what do you know? Project. I'm going to do that right now. You're going to get this window right here. And we're going to call this Video 1-3. Then you're going to say your location of where you want it to go. You click here, you pick Choose Location. And now you're going to scroll on down here, find your Google Drive on a Mac. It's right here. It's pretty close to the same thing on Windows. You're going to open up My Drive. You're going to find your Comtech folder. You're going to open up your video folder. You're going to click once, only once, on Video 1-3 for Mac. On Windows, you need to open this folder, Video 1-3. And that way you're showing that it's going to go right here. Do not, repeat, do not put it in the media folder. Okay, once you've done this, you're going to hit select. And the last thing I want you to do is I want you to skip the import mode. Make sure that this is here. Otherwise, it opens up this great big window where it gives you a whole bunch of files you don't need. All right, awesome. Hit create, and you will get this. All right, now I want to point out, automatically we now have the purple Video 1-3 file right here next to the media folder. Okay. All right, so now what are we going to do? If yours doesn't look like this, then the reason is because you don't have the workspaces set up the same way. Simple fix. Okay. You can click on this guy right here, the workspaces area, or you can go up to Window and Workspaces, and you're going to pick Editing. Editing. Okay. If nothing happens or nothing changes the way you want, then what you're going to do is you're going to reset editing. So Window, Workspaces, and Reset to Saved Layout goes right here. If you're going up through this guy, it's really simple. You pick Editing or Reset to Saved Layout. There you go. It'll put all of your windows back the way you like them. So that's a really important little trick. Okay. Now I want you to watch the next video, please.